Overview: Opera Cloud Mobile. In this video, we will highlight accessing the Opera Cloud Mobile application, navigating Opera Cloud Mobile, and reviewing key features. The Opera Cloud mobile application extends key Opera Cloud features to mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. The Opera Cloud mobile web application is accessible through a browser app on any smartphone via the mobile endpoint for your Opera Cloud URL. An example of the URL is displayed on the screen. The Opera Cloud mobile URL for your property can be obtained by your designated Opera Cloud property admin. Use your Opera Cloud login to access the application. Upon login, each available menu option is listed. All options are available menus within Opera Cloud or via dashboard tiles. Access to these features is based on property configuration and user permissions. Key features in Opera Cloud Mobile include Task Companion, Room Maintenance, Heartbeat, Room Status, Post-it, Track a Request, In-house, and Queue Rooms. Each one of these menus will be covered in separate lessons. Detailed lessons on each topic can be found within Digital Learning. To access the desired menu, tap the list item. For additional options, tap the menu icon. Let's first look at Change Settings. Change Settings allows you to select the application language. You are also able to refresh your roles if changes have been made, clear the cache, and change your PIN. Change Location is next. This option allows you to change to another property in multi-property environments. Selecting Clear Application Cache will prompt you with the option to clear the cache details and reload the application. About Opera Cloud will provide information for the version of the product installed. This information is helpful when contacting support. The final action listed is Sign Out. When selected, it will return you to the login screen. In this video, we highlighted accessing Task Companion, Opera Cloud Mobile. In this video, we will highlight accessing the Task Companion, reviewing task sheets, and updating room statuses. The Task Companion replaces the need to generate and distribute task sheet reports by providing real-time, interactive housekeeping task management. Attendants can view reservation details, including reservation traces, and send notifications to request assistance. To start, tap Task Companion. The task sheets that have been generated for the current business day are listed. Each sheet has a designated task sheet number. For easier identification and selection, task sheets can be generated with the assigned attendant. Tap to select the assigned task sheet. On the summary page, the following information appears: the total allocated rooms, rooms per status, a list of the room numbers assigned to the task sheet, and task sheet instructions, if applicable. Select Start to begin. The current room and status is listed at the top of the screen. To choose another room from the task sheet, tap the Skip button. The Start button will take the user to the Update Status screen and start the timer. The timer will track how long it takes for the attendant to clean the room. In the Action section, a list of available actions that can be taken with the selected room are listed. To see the reservation details of the room, select View Reservations. View Instructions will list the housekeeping instructions for the selected room. To display the traces for the reservation, select View Traces. View My Rooms list will display all rooms on the task sheet. Request assistance allows the user to send a message to request assistance with the room. To pause the timer, tap on Break. As previously stated, selecting Start will take you to the Update Status screen. Here you can update room status and housekeeping status. Limited actions for the selected room are listed. An additional action for maintenance request is listed. Selecting it will allow the user to view existing requests and add new requests as needed. To return to the previous screen, select the back arrow in the upper left corner. Returning to the task sheet will also reset the time to 0 for the room if it has not been marked as finished. Once the room has been cleaned and the status updated, select Finish this room. You will be returned to the task sheet and can begin work on the next room. Tap the back arrow to return to the summary to review the updated statuses of the rooms. Select Home to go to the main Opera Cloud Mobile menu. In this video, we highlighted accessing the task companion, reviewing task sheets, and updating room statuses. For more information, visit docs.oracle.com and search for Opera Cloud Mobile application. Room Maintenance, Opera Cloud Mobile. In this video, we will highlight searching for room maintenance requests, how to view, edit, and resolve room maintenance requests, and creating new requests. Room maintenance allows the user to enter, view, and manage maintenance requests entered into Opera Cloud. Users can also enter new requests through the menu. To start, tap Room Maintenance. Once accessed, use a combination of the filters to search for and find existing requests. By default, the Show option Unresolved will be selected. However, this can be changed by selecting the drop-down. For this example, we will search for unresolved items. By default, request assigned to the user will be displayed. To search for other requests, select the drop-down next to My Request. Select a request to see its details. On the Manage Request screen, the details are listed with various fields that can be updated by the user. At the bottom of the screen, the user will have the option to save any changes made and return to the previous screen. To withdraw the request completely, select Delete. Selecting Resolve indicates the maintenance request has been completed. Once selected, users will return to the previous screen. Notice the resolved request is no longer listed. To return to the previous screen, select the back arrow in the upper left corner and perform a new search. To enter a new request, select the plus button on the right side of the screen. Complete the details on the New Request screen, and then click the Create Maintenance Request button. Once the new request has been created, users can find the request and resolve accordingly. Select Home to go to the main Opera Cloud Mobile menu. For more details on managing maintenance requests, please review the lesson found in Housekeeping for Opera Cloud within Digital Learning. In this video, we highlighted searching for room maintenance requests, docs.oracle.com. Heartbeat, Opera Cloud Mobile. In this video, we will highlight accessing the Heartbeat menu and reviewing the different views that make up the Heartbeat. Heartbeat allows the user to view the current operating status of the property as it pertains to rooms, availability, housekeeping, etc. To start, tap Heartbeat. Once accessed, the Heartbeat defaults to the Activity view. There are various views available, each one discussed in this video. Activity displays arrivals, in-house, departure, and day-use room counts for today, the current Opera business date. Using the Today, Month-to-Date, and Year-to-Date buttons, you can toggle to different time periods. Selecting Modify allows you to change the From date and apply room class filters. Other views have a Modify button as well, but the filter options will vary based on the data offered in the view. To change the view of the Heartbeat, select the drop-down arrow. Once selected, a list of all available views is displayed. Next, we will look at Room Status. The Room Status view displays a summary of occupied, vacant, and assigned rooms. Users can also view the number of rooms on queue and any discrepant rooms. The 60 Minutes view displays activity in the past 60 minutes, including actual arrivals, departures, cleaned, and inspected rooms. For a count of arrivals, departures, and in-house rooms flat for complimentary and house use purposes, select the Comp House Use view. The final view is Summary. This view displays rooms sold, average rate, total revenue, and RevPAR for today, month to current date, and year to current date. To return to the previous screen, select the back arrow in the upper left corner. Select Home to go to the main Opera Cloud mobile menu. In this video, we highlighted accessing the Heartbeat menu and reviewing the different views that make up the Heartbeat. For more information, visit docs.oracle.com and search for Opera Cloud Mobile application. Room Status, Opera Cloud Mobile. In this video, we will highlight searching for and updating room statuses. Room status will allow a user to search for, view, and update the current housekeeping status of rooms. To get started, tap Room Status. Use the various filters on the Search Room screen to find rooms. Use From Room and To Room to search for a range of rooms. Searches can also be performed by room type, room class, and room status. Use these filters in any combination and select the Search button. Alternatively, leaving the fields as is and selecting Search will result in a list of all rooms. Once on the Select Room screen, scroll through the list or use the search field to find the desired room. Tap the desired room number to view the details. On the Update Status screen, changes can be made to the room status and housekeeping status, as well as prioritize the room on task sheets for cleaning service. Once a change is made, it is immediately reflected on the screen. To return to the Select Room screen, tap the back arrow in the upper left corner. The updates made are also reflected on the Select Room screen. Repeat the process to update any other rooms as desired. Select the back arrow again to return to the Search Room screen. Tap Home to go to the main Opera Cloud Mobile menu. In this video, we highlighted searching for and Post-it, Opera Cloud Mobile. In this video, we will highlight using Post-it to post items and settle charges to guest rooms. Post-it provides a way to charge for items such as things sold via a minibar or gift shop to in-house guests. Note, to settle charges to cash or credit card, use Post-it within Opera Cloud, not the mobile application. To start, tap Post-it. Use the Search Reservation screen to find the desired reservation. Once a search is performed, a list of reservations that meet the search criteria will be displayed. Select the reservation to post charges to its folio. The Select Items to Charge screen will display the guest's name and room number. Below this, all available articles with predefined prices will be listed for selection. Click on an item to add it to the cart. The total number of items added and current cart total is displayed. Once you are finished adding items, tap View Cart. Details of each item is displayed. Use the red X next to an item to remove it from the cart. To add more items, click the back arrow to return to the previous screen. Once done, select Post to Room. A message will appear on the screen confirming the charges have been posted successfully. Select Home to go to the main Opera Cloud Mobile menu. For more details on Post-it, please review the lesson found in Cashiering and Billing for Opera Cloud course within Digital Learning. In this video, we highlighted using Post-it to post items and settle charges to guest rooms. For more information, visit docs.oracle.com and search for Opera Cloud mobile application or charging purchases using Post-it. Track a request, Opera Cloud Mobile. In this video, we will highlight search for Track a Request and view and action Track It request. Track It enables you to manage the storage and delivery of guest luggage, parcels, vehicles, valet, and lost items. Now, to get started, tap Track a Request. By default, requests assigned to your user will be displayed. To search for other requests that are unassigned or to view all, select the drop-down next to My Request. For this example, we will search for all requests. Track a Request are divided by categories. Packages or mail is commonly assigned to the parcel category. To track parked cars, use the valet option. Baggage can be used to track the storage of guest luggage. And lost is used for tracking of lost and found items. Please note that Track It via the mobile application does not allow a user to add new items or edit details of existing items. To see the details, select the request. On the Manage Track a Request screen, the details are listed. The Request Details section displays information about the item logged. The Reservation Details section is populated when an item is attached to a guest reservation. Attaching a reservation is optional and could be a current, future, or past day. The Action section displays the current action for this item. Selecting the drop-down will display additional actions available. Actions will vary based on property-specific configuration. Additionally, some actions allow the request to remain open, while others close the request. Here, we will change the action to Deliver to Guest, which is a close action in this property. Notice that the resolved request is no longer listed. To revisit the details of this request, you will need to access Track It via Opera Cloud. The Track It lesson within Digital Learning provides a full explanation on using this functionality. It can be found in the Miscellaneous for Opera Cloud course. Select Home to go to the main Opera Cloud Mobile menu. In this video, we highlighted Search for Trackit. In-house Opera Cloud Mobile. In this video, we will highlight searching for and viewing in-house reservations. In-house will allow a user to search for and view checked-in reservations. To get started, tap In-house. To search for specific reservations, enter the name, room number, or a combination of the two, and select the Search button. Alternatively, leaving the fields blank and selecting the Search button will result in a list of all in-house reservations. Tap a reservation to view the details. On this view-only screen, the reservation details are displayed. This includes the housekeeping room status and guest balance. To return to the previous screen, select the back arrow in the upper left corner. Select Home to go to the main Opera Cloud mobile menu. In this video, we highlight